Chairman ke estimate committee ke ying dorbar tauan ke jela uba Meryl Bonds im ulapun pawe ke jingkermen baka jingkin tiu kerdan ling baka jingpen he ek ying school hapo ke mission education kan a jingmen to shibun yi kena school hamikhalia kamtam hakitan nong kindong ngilaya thirsani bha ha ke bayade ber ke jingpen tre kami ke jingte jing ki benta ba phero pher hapo ki model college ba pher bat ki weipat ki jaka puli ong uba Meryl Bond haba keren shakilat pthai ko bor hadin ka jingalang bishar kam bat ki officer ka tanat puli puthi lambat ki sandali ki weipat ki tanat sorkar haga shipau trek yayong ka kubor ka basngo tanat ka bangi yo kalong baling ba ka mission education ka bayade ber ka jingkin tiu kerdan ye ki spa tali ki school lower primary ka bade ka wene ki sen jam ka babha bala shim ban penthik na bagi school sorkar ha ka jila ka ba ki long yeng ki baduna ha ka yo ka kan kila ban pha ela ki khun ban yo e ka jingnang jingstan uba Meryl Bond ulapan pau baka jingkin tiu kerdan ka kenthop e ki school lower primary upper primary bat ki secondary school ka sorkar kamla penle ya kanishi sin le Henry kan haban yai ta ki benta baro ki jaka puli ka sorkar kelas dang ban pentre bat nga kermen bahai ki por ban wan in sayo iye ki jingte ki bayeng ula ong ka komiti kala shong bisharu e ki project ki bahap hapo katanat PWD bat PHE dakaba batha e ki ban penstat ya ka kam
The positive inputs that we are getting is that through mission education, where the upgradation of hundreds of government LP schools. This is one of the good initiatives that has been taken to ensure that government school at the state, within the state, where the poor family, poor parents, they could send their children to have education, and this has been upgraded. This is one of the positive points, as well as not only the lower primary, as well as the government upper primary, as well as the government secondary school has been upgraded slowly, because this is the thing in which the government, it cannot do at one go, but stepwise. Now all the government institution has been taken up, and I'm very optimistic that in due course of time, we will see that infrastructure at the ground, especially with education at the grassroots, especially for the poor family, they will have better facility with children-friendly classroom, with eco-friendly environment for education for the children, especially at the village level.